If you clicked on this ad and made it this far, please don't leave just yet. What I'm about to tell you could open the door to an opportunity that changes your life. With just 5 to 10 minutes of your attention, you might find a way out of the chaos and uncertainty you're in right now. Yes, I get it. You've seen countless ads online promising easy ways to make money or $500 to $1,000 a day. Most of them are just systems designed to sell false hope, hooking not just you but thousands of others. They see you not as a customer but as just another fish to catch. They sell you a product and then leave you to figure things out on your own. Unfortunately, I learned this the hard way through first-hand experience. For years I chased these systems. I followed every step they laid out, but either the information was incomplete or the guidance was utterly lacking. No one really wanted to help. I wasted time and money through trial and error. The worst part? The moment you start questioning what you're doing, there's no one to guide you. And here's the most crucial part. You make progress on your own up to a point, only to realize there are hundreds of thousands of people doing the same thing. So how do you stand out in this competition? That's where a truly effective system comes in. What I want to introduce you to now is Master B 1.1, the 5-in-1 combined money-making and system-building course. If you've been nodding along to what I've said so far, this course is for you. Please watch until the end, because it'll be worth it. The course is built around YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. You'll learn how to create 30 pieces of content across these 3 platforms in 72 hours. In a month, that number grows to 270. In 3 months, you'll hit 900 videos, mastering the algorithms and starting to earn real visibility and income. This might sound difficult, but it's not. Once you know the right formula, the execution is surprisingly simple. Our course gives you this formula step by step. You'll read, apply, and see results. No technical knowledge required. I know you have a lot of questions like, where do I start? Which platform should I sign up for? What kind of videos should I make? Which topics should I focus on? How do I upload my videos? What should I write in the descriptions? Which hashtags should I use? How do I grow my content after posting? This course answers all of these questions clearly, because the biggest problem is information overload. Finding real knowledge is like searching for a needle in a haystack. We've done the work for you, and remember, think simply, act plainly, stay consistent, take one step every day, give yourself 6 months, but also know when to quit if needed. This philosophy will lead you to success. What's inside the course? 10 ready-to-use video ideas, a great head start, 9 free AI-powered digital product ideas, pre-written descriptions for 300 videos, niche charts, hashtag sets, a clear, actionable roadmap for your first 72 hours, 5 skills you'll master in 30 days, expertise in earning per-view income from 3 platforms, ability to promote products using affiliate links and videos, competence in selling digital products on online platforms, expertise in creating and selling your own micro-niche courses, mastery in building your own affiliate system so others can sell your products. Once this system is set up, it becomes a passive income machine that works for years. And it's not just about views. It opens doors to brand deals, sponsorships, artist promotions, and more. Because you won't just be a follower anymore, you'll be a content creator and digital entrepreneur. Take action now. This course doesn't just teach you how, it guides you every step of the way. You don't have the luxury of wasting time anymore. The clock is ticking, the competition is growing, but with the right system you can stand out. Click now, join Master B 1.1 and start changing your life in the first 72 hours. Remember, opening 5 income streams with 1 video is much closer than you think. Start now. The transformation begins today.